actually, hi Anthony, I actually disconnected us, so I have to start another video to keep going. We were talking about the sailing boat kind of riding on the waves. Now I'm going to play through the entire piece for you, and one of the ways you can use this video is you could play along with me, or you could just tap along with what I'm doing, and then, or just isolate on the video, start and stop, listen, practice, so that you make sure that you are staying in 3/4 all the way through the song. You have all the right notes, everything, your expression sounds really beautiful, but we need to stay in 3/4 times. So here we go from the beginning.